Everybody, a very good afternoon. How you doing? Hope all well. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I'm the founder and the CEO, the brainwave, the brainchild behind all the products and the creations that you see online and offline when we meet up, and of course the catalogs and the social media pages and stuff. So presently we are based in Delhi NCR, and we are very close to the DND flyover, which is about maximum 10 minutes, and we have a metro station close to my office as well. I also work out of Gurgaon, and depending on the site of the client and my meetings and stuff. And it's a Monday, so I'm kind of enjoying, firstly, there's lovely cup of black coffee, and coffee, as you already know, comes with a lot of benefits and stuff. And my share right now on the social media feed and to people all across the world, and those who are following me and those who message and comment and reach out to me and stuff, is about tidying up your network. So, I made a conscious decision to be not on social media yesterday. And of course, I did check my social media and other pages when I was traveling by metro. I saw everybody around me doing that, but I think I was the quickest to kind of switch off my phone or my social media in 2 minutes of replying to my messages and stuff. And I was depending more on having a normal conversation with people around me and asking for directions and stuff without looking at GPRS or without even looking at the maps and stuff. And I found that I was much in the moment and much aware about my surroundings and stuff, because I've noticed this, that when you switch on your GPRS at times, unless and until it's long distance locations and stuff, you do kind of tend to forget the routes and not stay alert. I'm talking about myself, I'm not talking about other people. Then I came back and I'm kind of checking on my social media and stuff, and I'm wanting to do a share on staying alert. Also, not just kind of relaxing your mind and tiring up your mind by disconnecting from social media and the unnecessary stuff of other people and their stories and stuff. You rather read books, or you rather kind of have conversations with people around you and stuff, educate yourself, or kind of take inspiration from the movers and shakers and stuff. Inspiration can come from anywhere, but the point is, what is it that you want to kind of grow? I mean, what is it that you want yourself to kind of follow, and what is it that you want to kind of better yourself and stuff and all that? What inspires you is definitely going to take the direction of your career and of your daily life, and of course your mind. I mean, there are sometimes when we're not even working, so it doesn't mean that we stop learning and stuff like that. So on that note, I'm going to share a few thoughts on tidying up your network. Tidying up your network. Why is tidying up your network so important? So people talk a lot about bad relationships, talk about bad presentations on TV, bad presentations or meetings and stuff, and a lot of unhealthy and negative relationships. But if you were to see, it's not the reality of all office environments and cultures. It doesn't happen like that in most setups and stuff. So the author and I are sharing a few lines on tidying up your network, which is the most crucial and important one, because we spend so much of our time on social media educating, reading, catching up, getting excited, getting inspiration, taking a look at the world. I mean, I do this all the time, and the positive and greatness of social media is, I think I've shared this before, it lets you see what's happening in other countries, what's happening in the other world, what are the fashion, what is the fashion, what is the technology, what is the culture, what is the food, what is the music, what is the weather like, and what are the developments and everything happening and all that. And then I just disconnect and come back to the real world. Okay. So now the thought is on tidying your network. Instagram and other social platforms are the most important platforms for artists. And this is a British painter and an illustrator who's sharing that she has an impressive 15,000 followers. And as exciting as it seems, staying connected with so many followers looks like a hard work for her. So many unimportant messages, so many people to respond to, so many messages to get back with and stuff, and truly one doesn't know who are the real important buyers and who are the real important people. So she says she's had a fair share of trolls and stuff. People had made rude comments on her. Some had called her dumb. Some have been otherwise abusive. Some have been kind of bullying her and stuff. But as she kind of kept working on her, numbers and stuff like that, it became time consuming for her and emotionally exhausting as a part of her network, and she had to switch off from social media. So I remember meeting a Russian author also. I mean, and she'd basically given up on social media because she used to work with one of the embassies, I believe, and she was kind of always involved in on social media. She was also an author, and she kind of disconnected from the social media because she got to know